Today we're gonna check for calcium level in your pool, the calcium hardness, okay? Tried and true, the Taylor test kit, can't go wrong with this, very accurate, it's been around decades, okay? And step-by-step instructions right here in this blue colored square. It literally tells you step-by-step what to do, okay? You're gonna need your little water tube holder, and you're going to use the big tube. You're going to fill it up to the 25 milliliter line, right? And then you need 3, right? You're going to need your number 10 reagent, right? You're going to put 20 drops of this inside. Just follow the instructions. Then you're going to need your number 11 reagent. You're going to drop 5 in there. And then you are going to use the number 12 reagent, and you're going to keep putting in drop one by one and shaking in between until the color changes, and then you're going to multiply by 10. So that's the academic way of doing it. Right now, I'm going to get it done. Again, we're going to fill the tube up to the 25. Just keep emptying it out. That's pretty good. That's really good. What you want is the bottom, because the water is going to dip a little bit, so the bottom of the dip in the water, it needs to be right at the 25 milliliter line. Okay, so we got enough water. Now we're going to use number 10 reagent. Okay, and according to the instructions, you're supposed to shake this in between each one. Okay, 20 drops. And when you drop it, you want to drop literally upside down, because the ball, the water that you're going to drop is going to be bigger than if you drop it on an angle. You're not going to get the same amount. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's stir it around. Now we're going to put the number 11 reagent, and it's going to change the color completely. Okay, 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm getting there. Now, the number 12 reagent. You're going to keep dropping and stirring in between each one, and when this color changes to blue, count how many drops you had, and then multiply that number by 10, and that's going to be your calcium level. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, boom. 23 drops times 10 is 230. The calcium level in this pool is 230, which is good. Calcium level should be between 200 and 400. So using this test kit, that's how you get the most accurate reading on your calcium level. See you next time.